Today is Saturday, June 14th, 2025. I'm at the shop. I promised myself from a long time ago I would not work on Saturdays or Sundays, but I always find myself working on Saturdays, even for 1 or 2 hours. I come in here, I finish some devices, I fix some devices, I fulfill some orders, and I go back home. Big boss is not in today, and my dad is not in today. So I came down here, I worked on 4 video cards in about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and I fulfilled 10 orders. Okay, now video cards 1, 2, 3, and I have one inside on my bench I already worked on, and we have more to go over on Monday. One big boss comes over on Monday, and a lot of packages came in today and yesterday, along with the famous LG monitors 1, 2, and we already worked on more LG monitors, which we already finished 1, 2, 3. All the stuff you see in this room here is already done, already finished, already fixed or not fixed, and just waiting for customers to pay the invoice so we can ship those packages back to customers. I have a lot of stuff on my bench I still need to work on. A video card here, a video card here, SSD here. I already finished the USB flash drive that we have here. We have more hard drives, SSD drives here, and we are now doing full data recovery for any hard drive, any SSD drive, any M.2 drive, any NVMe drive, RAID drives, SD cards. We have the full PC 3000 setup. We have SSD drive, mechanical 2.5 hard drive, SSD drive. We have a mechanical drive, and this is a motherboard for a test equipment, and the customer said it looks like they have a burnt capacitor on the board. It's obvious. No labeling on the capacitor. We had to take measurements to figure out what that capacitor is. I'll go over it in a different video, in another video. We have a key fob that we need to work on here. We have a Minimax tuner, a key fob, BMW key fob. I do not know what this is. I'll figure it out later. And let me show you quickly what I did with fulfillment. I picked 10 orders. My dad can finish and continue on Monday, but I did the smaller ones. I bent all the papers so viewers are furious when they see a name or phone number, so I tried to hide them as much as possible. A customer ordered the A14 iPad stencil, spudger, low melt solder, 201 filters used for a lot of devices, including iPads, phones, so on and so forth. We have the grinding pen with 6 tips, dual brush, NorthridgeFix brush. We have the dual-headed spudger or spudgers, not prying tool. Yeah, you can pry with them, but you can use them to also spread solder paste or multi-purpose. Grinding stone to sharpen your tweezers in case they are bent. Mac Mini 2018 6-pin fan connectors. Customer ordered 5 of them. Here we have customer ordered a 10-watt equivalent UV light. We have the NorthridgeFix UV mask, premium quality UV mask, bent tweezers. And we have a customer who ordered the thermal camera. This is the UNI-T thermal camera. And we have not increased prices on those cameras as of yet because we still have the old stock. No added tariffs, nothing. You still get the camera at the old price. Everywhere else, prices increased. This is the tweezer holder, pad strips 1 and 4. And we have 3 alcohol bottles with the needles. You can see the needle inside the bottle. And customer ordered 2 PS5 HDMI connectors. And we have 2 back orders for our microscopes. As you know, in the past couple of videos, I did mention that our microscopes are out of stock and that we are expecting a shipment early June, but it looks like the shipment will be delayed until possibly late June. I did mention anybody back ordering the microscopes right now, you will get an incentive and you will still buy the microscopes at the same old price. We will not add in the tariffs. We are paying tariffs right now. So as soon as we get the microscopes back in our shop, the price will increase to add in the tariffs. So those back orders will be shipped as soon as we have the microscopes in. If you are in the market for a microscope or you are waiting for the NorthridgeFix microscope, buy it now because you are getting the better price compared to when we get those scopes in. So we're gonna end the video right here. I do not have any recorded videos for today. I thought let me share this with you, and I will see you again on Monday.